video, we'll download and install the IDE for Pascal ABC.NET and write the first program in this language. Click the link to download or follow the link in the description. An IDE is a stack of programs for building other programs. So, choose that one that contains a collection of tasks. Installing the package is easy. Just follow the instruction. Now we are ready to create our first program. Any program is written for the performer. In our case, it will be Drawman. We have included the Drawman's library. Now, you need to put a semicolon. Now we can mark the beginning and the end of the program. Please note that a dot is placed at the end of the program and only there. The next line following starts the task. The task created the field. Red lines are what we should draw. The pen is raised above the field and is at point 0, 0. What would we do if we drew on paper? Step 1. Move the pen to the beginning of the line. Step 2. Put the pen down on the paper. Step 3. Move the pen to the end of the line. Step 4. Pick up the pen. To complete the program currently, you need to pick up the pen and move it to the point 0, 0. There are rules for specifying the coordinates of any points. The x-coordinate is specified first and then the y-coordinates. For example, this point has coordinates 2, 3. You see commands for the Drawman of the screen. Select which ones are needed for our task. Put them in the right order and run the code. Run and enter. Test yourself with me. Congratulations! You installed the IDE for PascalABC.NET and wrote your first program.